oleng amu ore enkae kinyi naa ning'ua naretoto naa ore ewueji nitu ebaiki nikintabaikitia neeku kajoki ntae ashe oleng amu kitareto oleng. Ore entoki sidai naa aisidai ake tenikireto tenidol ormareita enaa irmareita neeku kajoki ntae ashe oleng eneretoto nikitareto oleng neeku kamayianaki ntae Enkai. Tenelotu musaada naijo ena naa nkilikuoi ake amu kara oltung'ani kilei neeku kajoki ake ashe oleng namayian ntae Enkai.
I was saying thank you very much for the help that I have received from you, and today is the day that they are planting the maize seeds that we provided after digging the land or plowing the land 3 weeks ago. So she's busy planting with oxen. You can see from the background, you can see oxen, and it's Harambe. They have brought a lot of oxen to help plant the seeds. So she's saying thank you very much, and may God bless you all. Thank you very much. Oxen's plowing, and actually they're following with seeds, maize seeds, for one of the ladies' shambas that we plowed last week, and she's one of the beneficiaries that benefited with the